Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change a kid's profile on Netflix to a normal one. Select your profile, select manage profiles, and you are going to edit this one. So here you're just going to kind of either delete profile, or you can, let me go back to Netflix here, or you can change the, why do I keep going there? Hold on. Okay, you can change the profile icon and the name, and then press save. And you can also change the maturity settings, but you do need to enter your password again, and then you can adjust it here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.